In this video, I will show how to show last update date in WordPress. So visit this website and copy this code and visit your website dashboard, appearance and theme file editor. Now here, open this theme functions.php. Scroll down and firstly copy this code and backup and save it. So if something went wrong, so you can recover. Now press enter and paste that code. So copy and paste that code here in the last, then update file. Now refresh and clear the cache. So this way you can add last update date in WordPress. Thanks for watching. Comment on this video. Work for you.